Hello, viewers. In this lesson, I'm going to teach you how to write a descriptive paragraph. In this lesson, you will learn how to describe an object. And the topic is my favorite flower. First of all, I will teach you the structure of the paragraph and then I will explain to you some of the words that you can make use of to describe your favorite flower. For more such lessons, check my playlist on descriptive writing. If you want a written step by step guide, do check the description box for my latest book on description writing. So, what are we waiting for? Let's begin understanding this lesson. If you are a beginner at learning how to write, then factual description works best for you. And you need to have a structured approach towards writing. And this lesson will definitely give you that step by step guidance. Here are some suggestions about what you may include in your description. The topic of this paragraph is my favorite flower, the rose. Flowers are beautiful creations of nature. Which one is your favorite flower? This sample paragraph on rose flower would help you to express your views about the beautiful flower and write an essay on this topic in an expressive way. Learning objective and the structure of the paragraph. We can begin with a physical description of the flower, followed by explaining some of its qualities. It gives you an understanding of the likes and dislikes of a person. It introduces description of emotions, expressing your emotions, usage of senses to distinguish how different flowers look like, its smell, and other things. Let's learn some vocabulary, that is, words can be used from here to help you describe flowers. Examples: blooming, blossoming, flowering, flourishing, thriving, healthy, and beautiful. Blushing means it has a delicate and warm color. Bold, distinctive, and clear to the eye, having a vivid and a strong appearance. My favorite flower, rose. Rose is a beautiful flower which has an attractive fragrance and color. It is my favorite flower. It is popularly known as the king of flowers. Roses are available in different colors such as red, white, pink, yellow, and many others. A rose plant has small and sharp thorns on its stem. The flower looks beautiful when it blooms in the garden. It symbolizes beauty, love, and compassion. The petals of a rose are soft and used in perfumes due to its fragrance. The meanings of both of these words, compassion and fragrance, are given after the paragraph description. Roses are used for decoration purposes in various ceremonies. They are offered to God for worship. Garlands, necklaces, and bouquets are also made with roses. It is used for eating in the form of gulkand and mouth freshener. Roses are also used to make rose water, perfume, and other things. It also has medicinal properties. Rose water relieves eye pain. Gulkan, made from rose petals, helps combat heat and aids in digestion. Rose flowers are very tender and inspire us to behave softly. If you find a certain word difficult, you can replace it with a given meaning. Compassion means concern for others. Tender means soft. Combat means fight. Aid means help. When we attempt to learn how to write, we should begin with a description of objects. The reason is that it is simplistic and concrete. It is easy to describe something that is right in front of you. Rather, translate what you're seeing into words. It should be learned like drawing a sketch or painting a picture. You should include details with accuracy. When you're describing an object, your paragraph should make your reader feel like they're right there with you, experiencing the moment firsthand. They should accurately be able to visualize the thing through your detailed description. Learning objective. Organize your paragraph around the main reasons why this is your favorite object. Use the following guidelines to make various sentences that form the body of your paragraph. Like, what is it made of? That is the material. What does it look like? What is it used for? What are its parts? What is its utility? Now let's understand the structure of the paragraph. Structure means what are you going to write first, and then what details will follow, and finally how will you write the conclusion. So begin with an introduction to the paragraph. Talk about the appearance of your object, like the physical size, dimension, material of the object. Practice using common adjective to describe your objects: cute, marvelous, amazing. Writing style. You may make use of either active or passive voice while writing your description. More or less, you should make use of simple present tense as it is a factual description. This is a guided paragraph, which means that I have left some blank spaces where you can fill in the blanks. I have also given some suggested words and phrases in brackets. You may choose one or two words from there and add to your description. In this way, you will be able to use your own creativity, imagination. This will help you to describe your object accurately and specifically. And that's all from my side as far as this lesson is concerned. I hope that this video lesson will help you in understanding how to write a descriptive paragraph in a very easy manner. If you want to learn grammar, you can follow my grammar playlist. If you want to learn more words, you can follow my vocabulary playlist. If you want a step by step guide, if you want a step by step guidance that can teach you how to write from a beginner to an advanced level, do buy my book, the link for which you can find in the description box. And of course, if you learned from my video lesson, do like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Do recommend my resources to your friends and relatives. And of course, do keep watching my videos.